It's Chuck from Century 21 Integra. Today I'm at 5129 Cloud Lane in the Meadowbrook subdivision in South College Station, and I'll be inside in just a second. Absolutely beautiful home, 1,755 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a study, a very open kitchen into the dining room, and then the living room, all again very open. Very large master bedroom, culminating into the master bath. Backyard, and then no neighbors, which is absolutely fantastic. Kitchen, again, as I said, very nice. And a really huge pantry. If this one's not big enough for you, you're going to have to go to a much larger house. Hope to see you here, and come by and see us and see what Century 21 is all about.